Get out of here, pelicans. Get out of here. Don't take my jacket off and one bit bites it. Huh. That's a start. Oh, it's a better one. Come here. That's a better one. That one that we just caught is probably a 2.5. Yeah, a little bit better. Oh. We're gonna catch a big one here before it's over. Back to my spot. Go. Jerkbaiting. Catching them on the jerkbait. This is a better one. This is probably another 2.5-er. On the old arc, man, maybe a 3. Easy, 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 easy. Oh yeah, we got a 3-pounder that time. On the arc. On the arc, about a 3-pounder. Oh my God. That was as big as I thought. But he's bigger. That's a better one. Yeah, that's a better one. That's a 4. Yeah, I know. I'm doing push. Okay. They're right here. There's this hole. Those were just chasing shad. That was this big school came up. Big fish. Shad. Yep. Biggin. Fucking biggin. Slide on up here, baby. Let me touch you for a minute. Let me touch you for a minute. Who put a coal tag in this beautiful specimen of a fish? I think. I'm gonna throw my jerkbait in here in just a second. Yeah. Yep, there's another one. I don't know if he's... Don't jump. He ain't that big. We'll see if he helps us. But he knocked the far out of it. Knocked the far out of it. He did. You're gonna give us a little bump. About a 3-pounder. Oh, about a 3-pounder. A couple bigs right out there. See if I can scope one of these up. Oh, big dog, I don't think you're gonna help me. There was a bunch of them there, huh? That'll help. He may help. Maybe a little. I mean a little. He gives us 17 and a half. That one's high. I don't want to lose track of it. That's a good one. That's one of them big ones I've been seeing rolling around. Maybe it's not. Yeah, another 2-pounder, maybe. Like a 3/4. 3 ounces. If I want to hit it. There was one swimming right up under the damn boat. This one will help. This one right here It'll help the cause. Right there will help the cause. Golly. When he hit it, he got every one of them, didn't he? Ain't gonna help, but he got another biter. Of course, they moved out. They've been feeding earlier. They got them on. Now I'll go catch. I need one more big one. That's a 5-pounder. Give me 20 pounds. Yep. Don't know if he'll help. He's solid. I don't think he's gonna help. Whew. Ah, hot and sweating. See if he'll help. No, will not help. Another he's just under 2 3/4, and I got a 2 3/4 in the bag. All right. Maybe this is one. Hold on, baby. Yeah, you feel solid. Feel solid. See if you are solid. Just another 2 3/4. About all we caught today. Don't need to complain about 2 3/4. Oh, he's a little heavier than I thought. Another chunker. Two and 3/4, we need a 3-pounder. It's hard to complain though about catching 2 and 3/4 fish. All right, that's all she wrote. Let's go a little bit over. So we ended up with 18.58 pounds for the day. Couldn't get that last 2 3/4 gone. So let's go with rods and stuff right quick. So chatterbait rod, it's always the Tharp B-Hittay. B-Hittay. Get it out here in just a second. Today I was throwing a Tungsten, 1/2 ounce Tungsten Evo. I think it's natural shad or electric shad, and then I've got a Scottsboro Tackle. Ooh, just ripped. Didn't even realize it's ripped. But Scottsboro Tackle, old Smokey, sniper shad on the back of it. Let's see, what else did we throw today? I think I did catch one on a minnow, and it was on the Commander series. Full battle rattle rod, 7.3 medium light action rod, and a 25 or 2500 series gravity rod. I got a mess. I just noticed. I was gonna try to fix it, but that might not happen. I may have to fix it at home. Yep, I'm gonna have to fix it at home. All right. Have to fix it at home. Little Moochie, gizzard shad is what I was throwing on it. I did have a 4-inch Moochie on a West Logan Series Desperation with another 2500 gravity. Oh, caught some on the old Invoker tour. It was a 7.9 heavy fast. This is my A-rig rod. This is the A-rig rod. I think it's A-rig special. Yep. I was throwing a young Flash Mob Junior Scottsboro Tackle like set where you can get the jig heads and the swim baits and the rig all together. Except I was throwing actual Scottsboro tackles. So actual 3-inch Scottsboro tackles, Pro Shad, and some of the original 3-inch versions. And then last but not least, we caught them on the jerkbait. Caught them on the, this is Matte Shad. This is the Arc. What is that? Yeah, J110 SP. It's regular, not deep diver. And this is Matte Shad. Throwing it on a Essence, what is this? Medium regular action, 610 for my jerkbaits. 12-pound test line for it. The A-rig I throw 20. The chatterbait I throw 14, and then my spinning rods have like 20-pound test braid to like a 8 to 10-pound leader. I didn't throw that one. So that's it, guys. Oh, I didn't catch anything on it. I threw it a few times. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed. We'll get back at them again later, but it's amazing. See you next time.